Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Lan from the hashtag Walk with Lan. Okay, welcome and welcome back to our channel. Meet a regular guy from Quezon City who got tired of watching his hand earn pesos disappear on things that didn't really matter, like so many of us in the Philippines. He used to chase the latest trends, upgrade gadgets yearly, and spend without much thought. But over time, some changes years ago, others more recently, he quietly eliminated 10 major money drains. The result, he estimates he's kept over a half million pesos in his pocket instead of letting it slip away. Today, we are walking through exactly what he stopped doing, why it works so well here in the Philippines in 2026, and the practical, affordable tools from Shopee and Lazada that help make these habits stick. If you're feeling the pinch from rising prices, this real life story might just inspire your own turnaround. Let's dive in. He won't replace his phone until the current one literally dies. No exceptions. Not for the hype of a new Galaxy or iPhone launch, not even for carrier promos from Globe or Smart. He saw friends upgrading annually and staying cash strapped. In the Philippines today, a brand new flagship easily hits 50,000 to 90,000 pesos. That cycle was quietly killing his savings. Instead, he shops verified, refurbished, or gently used models on Lazada and Shopee. Think solid Samsung, Oppo, or Xiaomi units in the 3,000 to 15,000 pesos range with warranties from trusted sellers. Links in the description. This approach has saved him 30,000 to 60,000 every couple of years. Money now redirected to better things. He once had a full collection: pre workout powders, fancy proteins, the newest trending capsules, hundreds of pesos vanishing weekly. Now he sticks to real everyday Filipino meals: itlog, bangus, gulay, kanin. His body thanks him, and so does his budget. The only consistent item is a basic daily multivitamin, affordable local or trusted brands in Shopee. I will be tagging that one. Dropping the extras saves him 4,000 to 7,000 a year. Simple nutrition over hype. That's a lesson many Pinoys are waking up to. Trends, he's done chasing them. His wardrobe is mostly plain black. Same reliable socks, same brands. Just three favorite pairs of jeans that actually get worn. No seasonal hauls that end up barely used. He buys durable, no fuss, plain black t-shirts and jeans in bulk from Lazada. Packs under 1,500 to 2,000 pesos that last year's. This minimalist style saves 8,000 to 15,000 pesos annually while keeping him looking put together every day. Less choice, less stress, more money. That is paralyzer bread machine or specialty tool that gathered dust before landing in the donation pile. He stopped buying them. Now every potential purchase gets one question: will this see regular use? Or if it's only occasional, it stays in the cart. But he did get one real winner: a versatile 7-in-1 or 12-in-1 multi-cooker. Popular Medea or instant pot style models on Shopee or Lazada, 5,000 to 14,000 pesos range. I'll be tagging that also. It handles adobo, sinigang, streaming, rice, all in one pot. Smart investment over impulse buys. Netflix, Viva Max, Spotify, random apps. He audits every autopay every few months and cancels anything unused. Many Filipinos quietly pay for services they forgot. He keeps only what he truly enjoys, freeing up 3,000 to 6,000 pesos yearly that save cash sometimes goes toward better accessories like earphones or stands from Shopee to enhance the one subscription he loves. He walked away from high fee mutual funds and advisors charging 1 to 2% annually. Those fees compound into huge losses over decades. Now he favors low-cost index funds via Philippine platforms to build the right mindset. He reads classics like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, easy to grab on Shopee or Lazada. The switch turned leaking money into growing wealth. Up to age 28, not one new piece. Everything was a second hand, handed down, or free from family. Visitors never noticed or cared. When he upgrades now, it's smart, modular pieces from Lazada that suit typical Pinoy homes. But mostly, he sticks with use. This alone kept 50,000 to 100,000 in savings over the years. Daily Jollibee, fast food runs, karinderya, it added up fast. Now he cooks at home, helped by intermittent fasting that naturally curbs hunger. Home meals are cheaper, healthier, and become enjoyable once routine. Key helpers, a reliable rice cooker and stackable meal prep containers from Lazada, Shopee, with 2026 grocery budgets around 2,800 to 4,000 pesos weekly for a family when planned well. He saves 10,000 to 20,000 monthly compared to frequent takeout. He picks reliable used cars and often sells them later for close to what he paid, minimal or zero net cost. New cars depreciate sharply off the lot. To maintain his ride, he uses affordable car vacuums and dash cams from Lazada. Smart, low stress ownership. Christmas shifted Christmas shifted to experiences, family, Tagaytay trips, beach days, quality time, memories over more stuff. Small thoughtful items sometimes via Shopee, custom mags, or keychains, but the focus is shared moments. All those save wo- all those saved pesos now build emergency funds, investments, province support, and real freedom. He proves you don't need a giant salary, just stop the leaks. Pick one habit to change today. The compound effect is life changing. If this story moved you, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which of the 10 will you quit first? Check the Shopee, Lazada affiliate links. I'll be tagging that one, my dear ladies and gentlemen. No extra cost to you. Big, and then of course, to be honest with you, big help to the channel also. And we are aiming for 100,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, my friends. Your wallet and your future self will thank you. God bless and keep building the Pinoy wealth.